Hello there, beautiful people. I hope you are having a good day. In this video, I will show you how you can create a custom product page in Wix Studio. And this is very different from other tutorials I have made before because this time I will also show you how you can assign a particular category to a product. So, for example, in this website, I have the cats right here, the cats breeds, and I have the dogs. Okay. Now, I want to showcase the cat products on a different website with different design, and the same goes for the dogs. How do we do that? That you will learn in this tutorial. Okay. A completely new product page for just the cats with a completely new design, new animation, and everything. The advantage of this is that you can customize your design however you want. You can use your own font, your own elements. You can add animations, and the performance is better compared to the widgets. So let me show you how to do that. Also, if you want to hire me to create your website, I will drop the link of my Upwork service in the description. You can go to the page, and I will create your beautiful website for you with all the functionalities. So let's go back to our tutorial. I'm going to add a new page where we will create specific product card for our cat products. The thing we will need for this is the repeater. So go here and click on repeater, add it, and stretch it like this. All right. Um, let's design our product card first. So what I'm going to do is add CSS grid. So right here we have the option advanced CSS grid. Click on apply, and now we will have a CSS grid right here. Go to options here, go to others, and add 5 rows: one for image, one for product title, one for pricing, one for add to cart button, and one for quick view button. Click on apply, and now we have 5 grids right here. From here on, it's a simple design game. So just drop your elements like this, and in the location, select the grid you want to put your element in. So image goes in the first one. The product title will go in the second one. So let's use H4 or H3 depending on the hierarchy of your website. And in the title, go to the advanced sizing here and set the width to 100% to cover the entire item width. Set it to absolute center. In the next grid, we will add the pricing. For that, first off, I'm going to add a container because we need 2 columns, one for the original price and one for the discounted price. Set the width to 100% and decrease the height a bit. Set the alignment to absolute center. The background goes to 0%, and just like the repeater item, apply the advanced CSS grid and add 2 columns. In the one column, we will add the original price of our product. So add it like this, assign it to the center and left, and in the responsive behavior, set to hug. So this will be our original price. Let me call it original. Now duplicate it and assign it to the second grid cell and in the center. This will be our discounted price. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is add the buttons for add to cart and quick view. So just go here or go to quick add if you want to use your website theme. Add it like this. Advanced sizing, let's set it to 80%. Change the text to quick view. Duplicate it like this. Set it to last grid. absolute center, and let's call it add to cart. Okay. Now we have the basic design, but we still have to make sense of this design. So let's go to the rows here, and in the image grid, we will set the minimum height to around 340 pixel. It's totally up to you what you want to set here. So this will make sure that our image grid is never less than 340 pixel. Let's set the scale to pixel like this. Okay. In the rest of these, I'm going to set the max content. So it will resize and fit to the maximum content height. Finally, I'm going to add some gap. So let's add 5 pixel like this. But I'm going to add further margin in the buttons to add some distance. Let's add 10 pixel on top and 5 pixel on bottom. And here I'm going to add 5 pixel on top. And let's add 20 pixel to the bottom. All right, so this is the design of our cards. Next up, I'm going to set the responsive behavior of this entire container of pricing as well. So let's go to the rows first and set it to max content. And in the columns, I'm going to set the max content for the first column like this. All right, so let's go back to the columns here and set it to max content. All right, so these two are always together. All right, so the basic design is done. Next up, we will do the connections. So go to the CMS connections now and add a data set. All your product collection will be in the store. So right here we have the stores, and right here we have the products. So create the product data set like this. All right, and now make the connections. First off, we have the image. Select the image like this. Image source connects to the main image, and alternative text connects to the name of your product. This is for the SEO. The link will connect to the product page URL. So whenever your visitors click on this image, they will be taken to your product page. When you do that, you have two more options. You can either choose to open the link in the current tab or in a new tab. The release value is for the SEO. If you want to do that, you can also add it, but that's not required right now. Going back to the next element, we have the text here. This is the product title, so connect it to the name like this. All right. Right here we have the original price. Let's call it the original. For the original price and discounted price, we have two different types. So first off, we have the original price. So select the formatted price. Okay, this is very important. You have to select the formatted price, not the simple one, because the formatted price has the currency as well. But if you choose just the number, for example, right here, we have the discounted price. If you select it, this will not add the currency. Okay, so this is just a number. So make sure to always select the formatted price. Okay, so now we have currency as well. One subtle change we will do here is add a little bit of margin to add some distance like this, right? Now, one thing you will see here is that when we have the discounted and original price same, like there is no discount, we still have the pricing of both the elements, all right? We only want to showcase one pricing if there is no discount. So we will fix that in a minute. For now, let's make other connections as well. So right here, we have the quick view. So open quick view. And right here, we have add to cart. So let's connect it to add to cart. Right, so our connection is done, and this is our product card. Now if you want, you can add the animations as well. So like for example, you can add float, Okay, and you can also add the animation for any other element inside the product card. It's totally up to you. I'm not going to do that for now. One more thing I am seeing here is that the heights of the images are not same. So let's fix that. This is specific for this case. What I recommend is that you use same dimension for all your product images. That will be much better. But for now, in this case, I'm gonna just select the item and set a specific size for the image grid right here. So I'm gonna set it to pixel like this. Okay, so now we have all the image size the same. Let's also do the same for our title as well. So let's set it to minimum and maximum and the alignment to the top. Okay, so this will make sure the height of the product cards is the same. Let's look at the design on the test side. All right, so this is the product card for now. Okay, one more thing you will see here is that the images are kind of cut off. So if you want to change that, you can go to the settings and click on fit to bounding box. But if you do that, make sure that your item size is correspondent to your image size. For now, I'm going to use the fill bounding box. All right, now let's include the functionality of the category filter. We want to showcase just the cat products. Okay, we don't want to showcase the aquarium or clownfish or dogs or any of those things. How do we do that? We are going to use a Velo code for that. So what I'm going to do is I will just write the code here. I will give you the code, and all you have to do is just paste the code and follow the instruction I'm about to give you. All right, so right here we have the code. Okay, I will give you this in the description. You can just copy it and paste it in your website. Now, how do we use the code? The first thing you need to do is add some elements and change some element ID. The first thing, very simple, duplicate the original price text and set the alignment, location the first, alignment to the left and to the center. The only difference between the original price and this one is that this has a strike through. After that, you have to, if you want, you can set a different color for this text. So for example, I can set it to like this. And the next thing we're going to do is change the element ID of these texts. So right here, you can see the element IDs. This is the strike through text. Original price is strike through. So just write it like this. Next up, we have the original price. So select the heading and change the element ID. And finally, we have the discounted price, which is this one. Okay, so these are the IDs of your text, the pricing text. The next element is the repeater. So if you have not changed the element ID, this is your repeater, and make sure the ID is same as this one. So repeater one is by default. So that is why I have set it to repeater one. All right, and now if you go to your website, let me quickly open the preview. This will fix the pricing issue. Right, so whenever you have the discount, you will get this kind of text. Otherwise, you will have your original price. So what's happening here basically is that when we have the discount, it shows the uh, original price but with a strike through. and the discounted price. But if you don't have the discount, it will hide the discounted price and the strike through price and just show the original price. So that fixes our pricing issue. Next up, we want to showcase the product from one category, the cats. That is also very easy. Go to your Wix app collection, and in the store collection, go to your collections here. If you don't see the product collection or any app collection, make sure you turn on the developer mode. Go to manage field, and right here you have the system IDs. Just check it. Then copy the ID of your category you want to show. Go back to your page, go back to your code, and on the top here, you have the category ID. Just replace it with yours like this. Okay. So I have written the help text here, replace with your specific collection ID. And now if you preview it, as you can see, we now only have the cats collection right here. All right. So it's that easy. Let's say you want to showcase your dog products. You want to create a new page, a new design for your products. Go back to your collections, copy the collection ID, and paste it right here. Now, if you go to the preview, we just have the dog products. Click on quick view. This will open the quick view of your product like this. You can also add it to the cart. Okay. And everything works just fine. So yeah, this is how you can create custom product pages in Wix Studio. Now you have more elements. For example, let's say you want to add the ribbon. You can do that. So just go here, the text. Let's add a heading 5 like this. Set it to hug. Let's add a highlight like this or like this. The text color, let's set it to white or whatever this is. And go to your CMS connections and find the ribbon. It should be right here. So right here we have the ribbon. Now, just like we did for the pricing, you can hide it, okay, in the code. But yeah, this is how you can create custom product page in Wix Studio. If you want to hire me for creating your Wix Studio website, the link is in the description. The code link is also in the description. I will see you soon with some more cool tips and tricks.